Want to know what all these are used for in graphic design and how to use them? Then keep watching. I believe you must have come across all this kind of paper folding and fabric folding of a thing in graphic design. Even if you have not, in one of my videos I showed how you can create yours and have the full copyright. So make sure you go check out my channel, also on the end screen. So today I want to show you how you can use those foldings, or those fabric folding, paper folding in your graphic design, how to apply them. So finally, this is what we got. So from the design, you can see that it just serves as background. So interesting. So instead of using a solid plain color, so we can consider using the fabric fold or paper fold of same color. So the creases give some cool impression. So you have to know the type of design you are using it. So you don't be like put it there and put it here and put it here and then mess up the whole thing. So something like web design, I don't think is necessary, and web design, even UI. So solid color will always be the best there. So here are some other designs where the concept was used. So you have to be creative and make something out of it. Alright fams, hope you like the video. Give us a like, drop your comment, and consider subscribing for more graphic design tips and tricks. See you next time.